The Fishes and a lesson in sea life from Mac. This week's Tuesday's Child tonight at 6 on Newswatch 10.
Another pleasantly warm day tomorrow. Details on the late News Watch.
Tonight on NBC, be a part of the 50th anniversary celebration as Star Wars weekend begins. Once upon a time, innocent people were threatened by an evil force.
Don't fail me again.
So they banded together to make our universe a safer place.
I hope you know what you're doing.
And it became the biggest adventure ever.
Watch this. You've got a lot of guts coming here.
Carrie Fisher,
I just assumed it's a Wookiee.
Harrison Ford,
I can arrange that.
Billy D. Williams,
Everyone's invited, of course.
and Mark Hamill
I won't fail you.
share the victory. And now, the Empire strikes back.